just a Breaking Bad household. Crazy. What's that? Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
And there's a lot more to do than take pictures of houses and
I know. I wanna go see the car wash. Is that far from here?
It's right down the street. If you go down here all the way to the stop sign at the end of the road, turn left, and then make a right at the light, go 2 lights down, and it's on your right-hand side. It's called Mr. Car Wash.
It's called Mr. Car Wash.
But you can probably still go in. They're open till 6, I think, or 7. And,
oh, beautiful.
And they have some posters and stuff inside.
Cool. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. This is amazing.
Yeah, have fun.
My friends are going to be so jealous. Huh?
There's a Texan behind you.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you again. Take care.